Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to draw Venom. Venom is very easy to draw. Step 1 is to sketch. Here I am using a pencil and a sketchbook to ink. Step 2 is to ink. Here I am using 0.8 fine liner. I am using Luxor company fine liner because Luxor company offers many fine liners for 0.01 to 0.08. Please watch until the end as I have a pro tip for artists and creators. Now I am using 0.5 fine liner as it is become very handy to use. I am inking the eye of Venom. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Venom has a very prominent features. The eye, tongue and teeth are very prominent features of Venom. Now I am drawing his mouth. Venom has a wide open mouth. His tongue is very prominent and sticked outside. I am giving random lines over here. The best technique is to use random lines and to use 0.2 fine liner. Here I suggest to use the random lines. 0.2 fine liner over here is very handy to use different lines over his for drawing random lines on his wide opening of his mouth. Now I am onto his teeth. I am using the same fine liner 0.2, which becomes very handy to use. I am drawing his teeth and giving some highlights. Venom has very pointy teeth. His face is round like structure. And now I'm drawing some prominent features of his back. His back has some lines, some white lines like his veins. And now I switch it to 0.5 liner, 0.5 fine liner. I'm giving lines all over his face and his back. And I'm giving some lines on his tongue. Now I switched from 0.5 liner to 5 liner to 0.01 fine liner. 0.05 fine liner gives very fine detail. Now I am onto his tongue. I am drawing random lines over his tongue. Now I am using line technique, line and dash and dot techniques onto his eye. I am using 0.01 fine liner because it is very easy to detail with 0.2 0.01 fine liner. I suggest to use Luxor fine liners because they are very cheap. Marker costs from 10 rupees to 20 rupees only, and it is very handy to use. Please watch until the end as there is a pro tip for creators and artists. Now I switched from 0.01 to 0.8. I am giving lines on his tongue, shady lines to give some detail. You can use any marker, guys. You can use any marker like Camlin markers also. I am suggesting you to use Luxor marker because they were coming very cheap and handy. The sketchbook I am using over here is Classmate sketchbook. Step 3 is to color. Now I took a brush pen. I took a brush pen of Camlin company and I am coloring the Venom. Advantage of brush pen is that the nib moves very smoothly. That's why I am using the brush pen. You can use from softer tones to darker tones, and you can change the nib value so I am using brush pen. You can use any marker, guys. You can use fine point black marker also. Make sure you follow on my social accounts, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter also. I'll mention all of my socials on the description. I'm also mentioning my camera gear and my art tools on my description. Now I'm coloring the whole part. The tip I will give to the artists and creators, I'm going to tell within a minute. Okay, now I am going to tell the pro tip. When we are shading, this is for artists. When we are shading, we always try to use blender, pencil blender, which costs like 200 rupees. I can tell you with blender costs more amount, 200 to 300 rupees. Instead of blenders, you can use cotton swabs like earbuds, or you can use paper, or you can use your own fingers for smudging and for doing when you are doing with pencil shading, all those things. You can use your thumb also. Instead of wasting 2 to 300 rupees on blenders, you can use cotton swabs. That comes very handy and cheap. You can use cotton also. Now I switched my marker to 0.08 and giving some details and highlights. And the pro tip I am giving to the creators are the music here which I use is from YouTube Studio. You can get free music from YouTube Studio. From different there are different platforms to get music, but I suggest you to use YouTube Studio because it is not copyrighted music. You can free use for YouTube video. And music is very costly. If you want to keep music for your videos, it is very costly, as you have to pay to $8 to $9 for non-copyright music from different websites. So I suggest you use YouTube Studio. Now I am lettering Venom over there. And finally I am doing my signature over there. Kesaka. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel.